Hi, I'm Travis and I'm an engineer on the academic team here at National Instruments. And today I want to show you a new approach to teaching the concept of frequency domain in introductory engineering classes. As you know, a solid understanding of signals in the frequency domain is essential for engineering students before they can move on to just about any higher level engineering concept. If you think about it, to even design a bandpass filter or model an autonomous robot is nearly impossible without an understanding of the frequency domain. Yet, when students experience the frequency domain strictly through mathematics, they often leave the class confused or apathetic. It's important then to give students hands-on experience with the frequency domain so that they can truly understand it and apply it. And to students, what's more intuitive than their smartphone? So let's see how they can use this everyday device as a basis for understanding this foundational concept. To begin this exercise, I'm going to connect a smartphone to the audio input of a data acquisition device. In this case, I'm using a MIDAC, which can also output the audio signal to these speakers. When I use the phone to play a song, and I run my VI, you can hear the unprocessed song playing through the virtual equalizer program and outputting on the speakers. But when we add the filtering, you can actually see the different peaks in the frequency spectrum drop out while simultaneously hearing the change in the frequency of the song. So let's check that out. First, I'm going to go ahead and introduce a low-pass filter. And not only can you hear the bass of the song more predominantly, and the highs of the song are missing, you see the high frequency peaks are gone in our frequency spectrum. Now if we look at a bandpass filter, we see that the low frequency peaks as well as the high frequency peaks are missing, and you can hear the midtones in the song. Now if we look at a high pass filter, we see that the low frequency peaks are gone, and you can also hear the bass drop out of our song. So we've just seen a quick introduction to the frequency domain with a MIDAC and an equalizer program in LabVIEW. By using a concept students are familiar with, like sound equalizing, and pairing it with an unfamiliar visual like the frequency spectrum, students are able to see how a signal is translated into the frequency domain and how different processing can affect how that signal looks and sounds. This is just one example of how students gain a deeper understanding through hands-on experiences. To further explore this approach, download the free courseware linked on this page.